guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. I am going to work with all of my leftover blues today. So I really can't tell you exactly what's in them, but this one is just mixed up, and this is Liquitex Cobalt Blue mixed with Decoart Americana in Deep Sapphire. And then the rest of them, I couldn't tell you, but I just want to use them up. Whoa, Wilbur, I almost, yeah, I caught this. I think is Golden's Teal. This I know for sure is Pebeo in Iridescent Green Blue. And this is Green Apple and Liquitex Lime. So I don't have a lot of colors. I mean a lot of paint. I'm going to attempt to do a wave with this, with the cloud mix. I'm just taking all my sticks out before I dump this over somehow. There we go. And here's my cloud mix. I'll put the recipe in the description. It is nice and milky smooth, and it flows right in. And this is a 16 by 20 canvas. I only need 7 ounces of paint, but I'm going to put 9 down. So when you're tilting, you can always use extra. And I'm not even sure I have enough paint on here. There's that corner. I'm gonna have to start using Kathleen Osmore's method for covering her canvases. She's just so clever. She covers the corners and then it's just, I don't know, it's beautiful. How she does it is beautiful. She's a wonderful artist. I love her work. There's so many of them out there. And coming back this way. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's coming. It's coming. There we go. I saw schmutz right here. Be gone. All right, so my plan is to do a wave that goes this way. So I'm going to keep the paint off of the edge, so I've got something to bring it over. I'm going to start with my deepest colors first. Go into my lighter colors. Green probably was a bad idea. It's usually takes over. I do have some extra paint. Let me just see how this works out first. Whoops, I keep skimming the canvas here. Let me get this. All right, so I'm gonna tilt it this way a little bit and then tilt it back and around and back down. And I may be doing some blowing with a straw with this. I want more. There we go. Get that off. Back. Ooh, it looks like it might turn out pretty. Pretty! Okay, let me bring this a little bit further this way and around. Ooh, I'm losing all my blue at the bottom. Back, back, back. All right. Now I'm gonna let it sit, obviously, because we know what happens. We don't always like our paintings when they first, when they're first created like this. Do a little swipey here. Another little swipey here. Get one of these. I think this is going to be a better surface to swipe. There we go. Cool. Might even put a little bit of white throughout here. Here we go. And we're just gonna let it sit and develop. And we'll come back and see how it is, and then we can mess with it. Or I might be messing with it while it's developing, you know me. Just take this out of here. All right. All right, guys, I'm going to put you on time lapse. Why don't I ever remember that? Time lapse. Be back in a while. Hey guys. Here it is. I'm pretty happy with it. Oh my goodness. So cool. I'm loving all those cells, the colors. I did a few little wispies with the straw right there. It actually looks a lot brighter in person. Oh, there's the Pebeo, the iridescent green blue. Yeah, this was pretty simple to do. So if you guys are looking for something simple that looks real pretty, that I live in Florida, so everybody wants waves down here. So, oh, I just saw a moth. God, I hope he doesn't land in it. Oh, 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 jeez. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know. Bugs, paint, they love each other. Hopefully I don't have to fish anything out. So please be safe and create, and look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks for spending some time with me, and please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. Bye now.